Hello and welcome to another Vaultuz tutorial. This one is about your profile. Your profile is a public facing page that includes information all about you. You can access it from the navigation bar by clicking on your icon picture. This will take you to your public facing profile page. You'll see lots of orange icons and text. This is because this is your page and you're in edit mode. You can change your profile image and your logo. By clicking on the edit button, it will take you to the appropriate place where you can update things like your business email address, information about you as a business and your business name. You can't update your handle. More information is available in our help section. You can also include all of your social media sites. Your profile page will include any shares that you currently have that's set to public. You can also see any events or any courses from the academy that you have that is also published. Any feedback that you've been given and you've made public, and also a contact me page where people can contact you directly. If you go to the profile page without being logged in, you'll see that there aren't any of those orange icons for edit. So you can check what it's going to look like. You can access the profile page from things like community. Okay, that looks like it's it for profile. Thank you so much for your time. See you in the next tutorial.